Right, we got what's not a particularly nice circle theorems question here, and I've had to sort of squish it into one slide, so I'm sorry it's a bit small. But it says, first part, give reasons why angle RZT is B. So they're saying, why is that angle equal to that angle? And the reason is because RZ equals RT because they are tangents. They're tangents. I haven't put R in there, have I? To that circle. All right. So therefore, that means that that length and that length are the same, and we've got an isosceles triangle. So straight away, there you go. That should give you the marks for 2 marks. I think the mark scheme says that you've got to mention that RT is equal to RZ because they're tangents, and therefore you've got to mention the word isosceles. Okay, so possibly should we have isosceles triangles? Okay, isosceles triangle, and that will get you both marks. Now I'm going to have to rub out bits of this because I'm going to need it. So we know that that is B, and they've told us that in here. Okay, now if I'm going to work out, prove that angle XTW, so XTW, this angle here, is equal to YTZ. Where's YTZ? Oh, is equal to A plus B. So we've got to YTZ is A plus B. Okay, so that's fine. Right, okay, YXT equals A. Now, so the first things first, that is A. And that's because, so YXT equals A, and you've got an alternate segment with this one because this here is a tangent to the circle, isn't it? Okay, and it tells you all of that here. Okay, so you'll need to say alternate segment. That will probably be one of the marks. Segment. All right, if you've got that, then that's fine. Now then, XYT equals A plus 2B. So XYT, so this angle here equals A plus 2B. Now, where have I got that from? Now, essentially what we've got here, XYT equals XYT, yeah, that's it. So what we've got, all right, is this sort of thing. We've got, right, I'm just wondering which one to, so here we have, this is 180 minus A minus 2B, and that's from this triangle here. Quite difficult to see actually. All right, so I've got a triangle there, and I've got A, B, B, and I've got 180 minus A minus 2B. So therefore, because we're on a straight line, we've got XYT is A plus 2B. All right, I could have actually put this in a bracket like this, minus A plus 2B there. Okay, so that's where that comes from. Not particularly nice, like I say. Next, we've got XTY. So XTY, where's XTY? Is XT, crumbs, is this little angle here. All right, I'll do that in red. Okay, therefore has got to be 180 minus 2A plus 2B. Okay, because we're incorporating this again here. All right, and we've got the extra A there, haven't we? So you've got another triangle. All right, this triangle here. Okay, where the green angle is this is the green angle, A plus 2B, and I've got another A there, so 180 minus 2a plus 2b. So there you go. Now then, last bit. We've got, oops, what was it? It was x, t, w, alright, which is the angle we're trying to find, is essentially this 180 minus 180, so we've got our xt minus, and I might have to do this actually on the next line. I'll do that actually, there we go, minus, now then, it's this little angle we just worked out, 180 minus 2a minus 2b, minus, okay, actually, sorry, plus the a and b that we were originally given. Okay, crumbs. So what we've essentially got then is we simplify that. We've got 180 minus 180 sorted, minus we've got, actually I'll do it, or 180 minus 180 minus a minus b, which all simplifies to a plus b. Yeah, that's not a very nice question, it has to be said, but all I can say as a tip there is to really break it down into as smaller parts as possible, because yeah, otherwise you'll get really lost. And it took me a little while to see what was going on there, because the diagram's not very nice either, but there you go.